Alright, good morning. We are going to be doing a little different morning. We have the propane tank. I got to run uptown. My buddy Kim is coming in about 8:30-ish. And we are using a new camera. I'll let you guys decide at the end what it is. But we have a full tune-up, cap, rotor, plugs, wires on the 64 Studebaker, and we have to go get some more gas because we are found 2 more fuel filters. So stay tuned.
Well now, let me tell you about the other day when my buddy Kim, yeah, Kim's a fella, don't let the name fool you, came over to the garage to help me tune up my daddy's old car. It was one of those mornings where the coffee's just right, the sun's stretching over the hills, and the kind of peace hangs in the air that only comes when you ain't got nowhere to be but right where you are. We popped the hood, took a deep breath of that old engine's history, and got to work. Now Kim, he knows his way around a spark plug, but we weren't just changing them. We were listening to him like doctors checking a heartbeat. We pulled each one out and looked it over. Some were running rich, so rich you'd think they hit the lottery, like old Mister Darby down the road suddenly trading his overalls for a gold watch and a Cadillac. Others, well, they were leaner than a chicken leg at that gas station diner off Route 12, looking like they'd been on a hunger strike. We wove those new plugs in, out, around, easy like fixing the arms on your favorite rocking chair. The one that creaks just a little when you sip your coffee and watch the sunrise. It was more than just repair, it was a kind of ritual. Me and Kim just talking and tinkering. And somewhere in there, we got to jawing about them old cars. You know, not everyone was a hot rod unless it was one of those R21s. Those babies, they weren't just built for speed, no sir, they were made for Saturday nights, with your best girl sitting next to you, arms slung round her shoulders, radio humming low. Wasn't no Chevelle or Mustang, but boy, they sure were purty. We tightened the last bolt, wiped the grease off our hands, and looked at each other. Nothing left to do now but turn the key and see if she'd sing. And Lord, when she purred to life, well, that sound was sweeter than a front porch lullaby. Me and Kim just smiled, like 2 old dogs who chased down the same stick, happy as could be. See you tomorrow? I asked, already knowing the answer. Yep, he said not. And just like that, the day wrapped up the way all good days should, with grease on your hands, good company by your side, and an old engine reminding you that some things still got life in them.